So, hello, how are you?
Hello, Nutan. How are you? I'm fine. Thank you for asking.
I'm doing good.
Do you have any idea about me or you don't have any idea?
I just watched one of your videos. That's
Mm-hmm.
all.
Okay, okay. So, as you know, my name is Hema and I was born and raised in India. But after getting married, I came to Australia. Therefore, I have been living in Australia for the last 16 years. My
Okay.
qualifications include a post-graduation degree in Hindi honors, which I have done from Delhi University. I have also a bachelor degree in education, which I have done in Australia. Therefore, I have been working as a teacher here. Besides, I have a channel on the YouTube, which is, the art of speaking English.
Yes.
And that is a brief introduction of mine.
Oh, so nice.
Mm.
So, I would
Yes,
like to introduce myself to you.
that would be great.
Okay, my name is Nutan and I come from Mathura in
But
UP.
oh wow, I love Mathura.
Okay.
I've been there last year. I been to Australia, sorry, India. Then I've been to Mathura. It was so nice and very mesmerizing.
Yes, yes, it is. So, if I talk about myself, I'm a homemaker and also
Mm-hmm.
I run a YouTube channel.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm graduate, that's all. And if
Okay.
I talk about my hobbies, then my hobbies are reading books, singing songs, cooking food, and sometimes painting. And I'm really fond of dancing. And
Oh,
yes,
that's good.
I'm blessed with two kids.
Okay.
My elder son is in 10th class and
Mm-hmm.
my daughter is in ninth class, so this is all about me.
Okay, so they have grown up. Yes.
Yes.
I
Yeah.
don't think they are giving you any more trouble now because they have grown up and they can eat themselves, they can get ready by themselves. Yeah.
Really.
Okay. That is good. And you said that your hobby is reading books, so that is really good because usually people they say that reading books is very hard for us because it consumes lots of time, but you indulge yourself in reading. That is a really good way to learn and develop, and that way you can develop more knowledge.
Yes, yes, and you know what? It seems little bit boring or monotonous when it comes to
Mhm.
read something like book, reading a book.
Yes, yes,
If I talk about myself, so to me it's really good, really interested. I'm
yes.
so much interested to read like books or any kind of articles, newspapers
Mm-hmm.
sometimes, or
Mm-hmm.
anything whichever I find. I just read that out loud so that I can hear myself properly. And in my many videos, I have talked about this kind of thing that we need
Mm-hmm.
to read things out loud when it
Yes,
comes to
yes.
just excel our English like this.
Yeah, that is a good way, and you are utilizing this technique. So, yeah, I think it's helping you too. Yeah,
A lot. It's
a
helping me a
lot.
lot.
Yes, yes, yes. So, what kind of books you read?
I read like storybooks.
Storybooks, children's
Storybooks.
storybooks?
Yes, children's storybooks, and my favorite is Munshi Premchand stories.
Okay,
So
okay.
I ordered it in English version so that I can just excel my English language. I can just get to
Yes,
know different concrete words, and so that I
yes.
can enhance my vocabularies
Mm-hmm.
as well. That's why I
Mm-hmm.
read that book. Whenever I get time, I just start
Mm-hmm.
reading that book. Many of stories I have read yet.
So, because you're fond of reading, so I would recommend you if you can read a Bhagavad Gita as it is, because that way you will develop new vocabulary and it will really help you to accelerate your English speaking skills, and plus it will help you to develop your vocabulary. So, just read that. It's very good and it will give you peace of mind because that way you will develop your knowledge.
Surely, surely.
Yes.
Thank you
I
for
do read
this.
that book, so that's why I'm recommending you this
Okay,
book.
okay, okay. So, what are your hobbies?
My hobbies, it used to be dancing and talking with my friend, and absolutely, I like to teach people. It is my passion, and since my childhood, I would say when I was in year 12, I started taking tuition, and yeah, so even now, uh, teaching people English and other things is my passion because I'm a teacher. So yes.
Okay. So, uh, I would just like to ask you this thing that about English language. From starting, you have this kind of command over English language, or you just did something for this, having such command over English language.
No, it is not like. Please. So there was a time when I wasn't able to speak English very well because I, as told you, I have passed out from a Hindi medium school and I have completed my post graduation in Hindi honors. But after getting married, my husband he said that he wanted to apply to Australia, so he suggested me I have to do my IELTS exam. Otherwise, we have to pay lots of money. So I have given that exam, and through that, I developed a little bit knowledge. And after coming here, I continued learning English because of, you can say, because I have to work here. So I have done my study here and all other things I had done. So this way I develop. But the thing is, if you are not practicing, does not matter wherever you are living, and if you pass out from Hindi medium school or English medium school, if you are not practicing, if you are not reading, if you are not cultivating good habit, that way you won't be able to learn anything.
Yes,
Yeah.
this is the fact I would say. If not about learning English language, if
Mhm.
anything we want to learn, like
Yes.
we want to learn how to dance, how to ride a
Yes.
bicycle,
Yes.
or we want to learn how to swim, we need to
Yes.
just plunge into that situation. Okay,
That's
practically, we
true.
need to just
That's true.
implement that by practicing,
That's
as
true,
I
right?
think.
That's true because riding bike a skill and cooking is a skill, dancing is a skill, and learning English is a skill too. Yes, if we can learn other things, we can learn English as well. So it's not a big deal. Yes.
Yes, yes. And anything you want to ask, anything.
So you have been learning English, you said. So may I know what method you have been using?
The main method I already told you, that I
Mm.
have been
Reading.
reading things out loud.
Okay.
And beside this, I also very much, have this idea, or I would say the habit. I'm in the habit of, listening things. Whenever I watch videos, YouTube videos,
Mm-hmm.
I my priority is I have to listen them, not watching them. Okay. So I
Mm-hmm.
listen them so carefully so that I just enhance my listening power, listening skills.
Mm-hmm.
And if I talk about, whatever command on this English language I have right now, it was not like that earlier. Like 3 years ago, I was not like that. I was
Mm-hmm.
so much, like a shy person. So
Mm-hmm.
hesitant I was. And yes, it's been 3 years since I made my own channel, and
Mm-hmm.
I have been starting, making all videos and uploading that
Mm-hmm.
on YouTube. But
Mm-hmm.
yes, the case was not like that, as I'm having right now this personality talking to you in front of such,
Mm-hmm.
like having
Mm-hmm.
a conversational video talk. So
Mm-hmm.
I was not like that person. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So earlier, yes, I was so hesitant and I didn't have such, that, guts, that courage.
Yes.
I didn't have that.
Mm-hmm.
I need to go
Mm-hmm.
out and talk with
Mm-hmm.
anybody in English. And I such,
Mm-hmm.
the way I'm speaking right now, I didn't have any kind of environment or atmosphere, I would say. I just made it by my own, like
Mm-hmm.
talking with myself. And earlier, I think
Mm-hmm.
4 years back, I used to do like getting myself recorded, like an
Mm-hmm.
audio call,
Mm-hmm.
audio recording, not a video
Okay.
recording, just audio
Mm-hmm.
recording. And I
Mm-hmm.
used to talk while recording my own audio recording. Okay, so just 2 or 3 sentences, I can just talk in English. Just that, it's just that. And
Mm-hmm.
besides this, I could not even say a single sentence. I was so much, hesitant, and I most of the time I make a lot of mistakes. So I was not doing such things. Again, I started making my own videos and talking in front of the camera, just confronting that camera and imagining in my mind that somebody is watching me. So I need to be a little bit conscious and talking in English, behaving like this, that
Mm-hmm.
somebody is listening to me. And now I have to
Mm-hmm.
just speak properly, try to just
Mm-hmm.
not to make most of the mistakes that I earlier used to do.
Okay, that is great. But in my case, it is opposite actually. When I'm talking to somebody, because the language here, na, I'm okay, I'm able to express my idea, I'm very confident. But while I'm talking, when someone's one watching me, then I feel, oh, what is happening? Then I feel like, oh, I have to. I'm not cautious, like I'm not conscious. I'm thinking, oh, this person is watching. I'm talking to you, then I'm saying, oh, she's watching me, she's looking at me, or the camera is in front of me. It's not like a normal for me.
Okay.
Because since my childhood, I was a shy and introverted person. That's why I have been facing this problem, but I'm getting better. Yeah. But if you meet me personally, you will see I'm very confident person. I'm able to express and everything good. But in front of camera, I don't know what's happened. When I normally talk to myself and other people, my accent is different. The way I'm talking
Okay.
different. But when I'm in front of camera, I'm like I just see myself. If I make solo video, now it's so hard for me. I look at myself. I say, oh, you know, I
Yes,
get
yes.
distracted very easily. That's
Okay.
why.
But you know what? It's a human nature, confronting such a camera, phone's camera, or any camera, and just talking to yourself. Like right now, I'm talking with you. Whenever I get to, just whenever I get to meet anybody, I just talk with them so confidently. But since it's my fourth or fifth conversational video talk, that's why a little bit I'm hesitant. But I would not say that I am hesitant. Little bit, it just comes up and it just goes away.
I wouldn't say it's hesitation. It's like I get distracted very easily.
Yeah, this also could be the reason.
Yeah. Because when during the COVID time, because that time, because school wasn't open that time, so my colleague they used to make my video. They were holding the camera, and I was just talking in front of camera, and I was the one who was very confident. Everybody they used to say, "Hima, you're very confident in front of camera. We feel nervous and this and that." And now I'm just thinking, I wasn't like that. What's happening to me right now? Because no one is holding camera now, I can see myself because I use front camera while I'm talking. I make solo video, I use front camera, and when I talk I say, oh, I see myself, my
Okay.
expressions, yeah. But when you
Okay.
don't see yourself, if you are talking you someone holding camera, that would be the different story, I think. But yeah.
So tell me, are you mother of any
Yeah.
kid?
Yeah, I'm blessed with two lovely children. So I have two children. I have a boy, I have a girl.
Okay,
I
that's
have
nice.
uploaded a video yesterday. My
Okay.
children they were talking in English, so I thought maybe people they will get benefit out of those conversation. They were teaching some kind of thing. I thought okay, I upload it. They just make it randomly. I thought it will help other people to understand the Australian accent. So yeah, I did that. I uploaded it.
Very nice. See, here I want to say, or I can ask this thing that since you are immersed with such people, talking to you in English, and you have that environment, that's why maybe you are feeling so comfortable. Emotion is automatically just coming out from your mouth.
It was already since my childhood. I was I used to participate in drama, dance. I was a
Okay.
very person. I used to be very famous in my school. My
Okay.
junior, they used to follow me. Can you give me autograph and these and that? They used to say you will become one day very good. But I wasn't like fond of doing acting or other thing. But I was doing act during the school time and during the college time. So after coming here, when you get married and after that your dreams different, you need to look after your family and you need to get settled. So yeah, now my children they have grown up. I have time, so I thought okay, I'll just make a YouTube channel and that way I can teach people. I can complete my wish because I had a dream that I will somehow help other people. I do some kind of charity, so that way I'm doing some kind of charity. And because I'm an introverted person, I thought it's a good to just connect with other people and know about them.
You don't look like an introvert person.
I am actually, if you see me now, I'm not saying that I just laugh and this and that, but I don't really easily connect with the people because I get so many messages. You don't believe people, they are approaching me and they're trying to, have a conversation with me. But if I feel, okay, this person, good connection, then I just talk. That's why you
Yeah.
are feeling. So it depends on the vibration I'm getting from other person.
So I would like to ask you that how can we improve our communication skills? Because sometimes I don't feel like that I have that much, capability to talk with somebody if it comes to talk in English, not in my mother tongue. So how can I improve, or anybody can improve?
First of all, you need to just don't think if you're talking with somebody in English. You need to think I'm talking in English because as soon as you think in your mind, okay, you are talking in English, you will get puzzled. You need to say, okay, I'm expressing myself, and make sure whatever you need to just say. Don't think I'm making mistake or I'm making this sentence rightly or wrongly. Don't think that way. Just say whatever coming on your mind. Just you need to express. And secondly, you need to make sure you listening to that person.
Yeah,
Okay,
that's
you
all. also important so much.
Very, very important. If I am good at talking, but I'm not good at listening, it means that my communication skill is very low. Yeah,
Yes,
I
yes.
need to understand. Yeah. So also that you need to make sure that your a facial expression is there, your body gestures are there. It's not like this. Okay, I will talk like this. Okay, Newton, how are you? Not like that. If I say, hi, Newton, how are you? What are you doing? Yeah.
Yes,
So make sure your expressions there, and that way people they will understand you better.
correct.
Yes,
Yeah,
because
correct.
body, non-verbal language plays the biggest role in our communication skills. So
Yes,
we
yes.
need not to underestimate this power. Make sure that we use our non-verbal language along with our verbal language. Okay.
Okay.
So, and also just as I say, give respect to other people as well while you're listening to them, talking with them. If you, as I told you before, I don't feel vibration with other people. I don't feel connection. I don't like to connect with them. Yes.
So how do you like talking with me? Is it fine or not?
It is fine. That's why I'm talking with you now.
No, I'm talking about the vibration. Which type of vibration you felt that time when you received my mail?
I feel that you are a very good learner. You have the sense how to approach to people because some people they approach not correct way. You know,
Okay.
yeah, the way when I read the message, I get the vibration. Okay, this person is sensible. This person knows how to talk, how to communicate. So I communicate with that people because I'm living in Australia. I was living in India, but it's been so long time. Yeah, I don't know what is happening right now in India. And whenever I come after 1 year or 3 years, I just come to visit my family for 2 3 weeks only.
Okay.
So yes, so it's like I'm kind of foreigner for India now. So I am learning what I'm learning from here. People they do respect, understand each other, and they are very sensible. They sense power is really really high. So that way I'm learning, and when I see okay this sometime you have to the way we are approaching to people is matter a lot. I would say.
Yes, yes, yes. That's the I think most crucial part.
Very crucial part.
Something.
Even when if you applying for interview, this is the reason people they just get rejected when they see their application. Yeah, the way they are writing, the way they are expressing, they get rejected. Okay, this person, even that person is very qualified, still that person is rejected due to the way that person is approaching and writing the covering letter and resume, whatever.
Absolutely.
Yes.
So
Okay, Newton, I think it's nice talking to you. If you would like to ask any questions,
no,
feel free to ask.
nothing in my mind.
Nothing.
Okay. But yes, it was nice talking with you. So I think we need to just wind up this session.
Yes, okay. I think you are a YouTuber too, yeah?
Yeah, I
Oh, yeah,
am.
you told me. Yes, yes. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. It
Meet
was really nice talking to you and maybe in
same here.
future. Yes.
Same.
Okay. Bye. Take care.
Bye.